Ever wondered why your Mac says it can't install the latest macOS, even though it still runs fine? Today, I'll show you how to safely install newer versions of macOS on older Macs using a tool called OpenCore Legacy Patcher. We'll check compatibility, create an installer, install macOS, and apply the required fixes, step by step. This is beginner-friendly, no coding, no guessing. Click the Apple menu at the top left. Select About this Mac. Note your Mac model and year. Apple limits which macOS versions each Mac can install. This is based on hardware, not performance. Even if Apple blocks updates, your Mac may still handle newer systems using OpenCore. This step helps set realistic expectations. Now let's check OpenCore compatibility. Open a web browser. Search for OpenCore Legacy Patcher. Supported models? Compare your Mac model to the list. If your Mac is listed, it's usually safe to continue. If it's not listed, installing may cause issues. Compatibility matters more than speed. Next, we'll download the OpenCore tool. Open your browser. Search for OpenCore Legacy Patcher. Open the official project page. Download the latest release. Open the downloaded file. If macOS shows a warning, choose Open. Only download from the official source. Now we'll set up the app itself. Open the package. Continue. Install. Enter your Mac PIN. The installation was successful. Open it from the applications. Grant permissions if asked. This allows the app to manage system-level changes. If it won't open, check privacy and security settings. This prepares OpenCore for booting. Open OpenCore Legacy Patcher. Click Build and install OpenCore. Choose Install to Disk. Select your main internal drive. Confirm when prompted. This does not install macOS yet. This step ensures OpenCore loads at startup. Now we'll confirm OpenCore is working. Restart your Mac. Hold the Option key during startup. Select EFI Boot. Press Enter. If you see the OpenCore boot menu, everything is working. If you don't see it, restart and try again. Not every macOS version receives updates. Open OpenCore Legacy Patcher. Go to the macOS download section. Review which versions are still actively supported. Choose a version that still receives security updates. Newer isn't always better on very old Macs. Older Macs often need extra fixes. In OpenCore, check hardware status. Look for notes about graphics, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth. Some Macs require patches after installation. This is normal and expected. Now we'll create the installer. Insert a USB drive. Open OpenCore Legacy Patcher. Click Create macOS Installer. Choose Download macOS. Select your USB drive. Wait for completion. This can take some time. Do not remove the USB during this step. This is where macOS gets installed. Restart your Mac. Hold the Option key. Select the USB installer. Choose Install macOS. Follow the on-screen instructions. Select your internal drive. Your Mac will restart several times. Always select the same internal drive. Final step. This makes everything work properly. Open OpenCore Legacy Patcher. Click Post-Install Root Patch. Apply the recommended patches. restart when finished. This restores missing features. If Wi-Fi or graphics don't work, this step fixes it. Always keep OpenCore updated. Backups are essential. Performance depends on hardware. Most issues are fixable. You now know how to install newer versions of macOS on an older Mac using OpenCore Legacy Patcher. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe. Leave your questions below. I'll see you in the next one.